to remove Capcut Watermark from your video. Two kinds of Capcut Watermark. Watermark that appears at the video's end. Template watermark. In this video, you'll learn how to remove Capcut Watermark that appears at the video's end. Open Capcut. Tap on New Project to pick the video you want to edit. Look for the Capcut logo at the end of the video. Tap to select that part. Then delete it by tapping on the delete icon at the bottom of the screen. Now the watermark has been removed from your video. Tap the arrow to export your video. Open your gallery or photos. Select the video you exported from Capcut. Your exported video is now really watermark free.